Hello. Welcome. Today, we are tackling a common challenge for 60% keyboard users: how to press F2. Many compact keyboards ditch the function row to save space. This can be frustrating when you need those F keys. Don't worry. There are simple solutions. Let's explore them. First, understand the function layer. Most 60% keyboards have a function layer accessed by holding down an Fn key. This key is often located near the right side of the spacebar. The function layer activates secondary functions printed on the front or side of the keycaps. To press F2, you'll typically hold down the Fn key and press the number 2 key. This is because the 2 key is often mapped to F2 on the function layer. However, this mapping can vary. Second, check your keyboard's manual. The manual will specify which key combination activates F2. Look for a diagram showing the function layer mappings. Sometimes, F2 might be assigned to a different number key or a letter key. The manual is your best resource for understanding your specific keyboard's configuration. If you don't have the physical manual, search online for your keyboard model and manual or key map. This will often lead you to a downloadable PDF. Third, consider using keyboard software. Some 60% keyboards come with dedicated software. This software allows you to customize key mappings. You can remap any key to function as F2, or any other function key. This gives you more control over your keyboard layout. Look for the software on the manufacturer's website. Often the software can also be used to customize RGB lighting and create macros. If the software also supports layers, consider creating a second layer with all of the function keys lined up at the top row. That can greatly improve function key usability. Fourth, explore keyboard shortcuts specific to your operating system. Windows and macOS have keyboard shortcuts that can often replace the need for F2. For example, Alt plus Shift plus 2 might achieve the same result as F2 in some programs. Research shortcuts relevant to the applications you frequently use. It might offer the specific functionality you want without needing to reach for a function key. Fifth, if none of the above works, it is possible the keyboard has a dip switch on the back. Some cheaper 60% keyboards have this. Read your manual to determine if flipping the dip switch will solve the issue. And, of course, ensure the keyboard is plugged in properly. Finally, you could always buy a full-size keyboard. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Consider subscribing for more keyboard tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or other tips for using a 60% keyboard. We appreciate your viewership.